Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard our fresh trade. This is a 2024 Scout 195 Sportfish. It's in the crystal blue hull color, which you'll see from the pictures, and a great layout throughout with all the best options clicked. We're going to go on the back of the transom. We have the upgraded Yamaha 150 four-stroke motor. We did a 8-foot white power pole upgrade, and plenty of power on this boat, and then easy to get back into the creeks with the power pole to put down. Nice transom area for fishing. We have two seats in the back with backrests, 2 rod holders on the transom and 2 in the gunnels. And then you have a removable backrest to give you 2 more, plus 4 rocket launchers on top, LED lights in the aft and forward of your T-top, and storage underneath the T-top for life jackets or throw cushions. 8'6" on your beam, so it gives you plenty of space. You have under gunnel rod holder storage, which is really nice to get everything out of the way, but very clean in the back here. Easy to get up with your swim ladder on the transom. As we get up to the helm, we have an upgraded Garmin. This is the 9-inch upgrade on the Garmin. And then we have Baystar hydraulic steering, tilt steering wheel, which is really easy to positioning whether you're sitting down or standing up on the boat. And then we have C-Star trim tab systems with electronic indicators on here. Makes it very easy to get all your weight shifted over if you have a lot of people on one side of the boat. Wireless phone chargers, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, and this boat has the upgraded JL Audio 6.5-inch speakers throughout. So plenty of great sound for entertaining family and friends. And then all your shade coverage up here is nice with the T-top. As we come around to the bow of the boat, notice the gunnel height on here, which is really nice. It's above the knee, all the way from midship up to the bow. So great for fishing, great for small kids. Keep everybody contained on there. And then lots of storage underneath in the center console. There's an option to put a porta potty head in here if you wanted to, but acts as great storage on board. As we get to the bow of the boat, we'll have a igloo cooler with cushion, and you got the backrest here, but nice to take it out and get more room for fishing. And then forward cushion with the removable backrest, which is an option on this boat. So it gives 2 more sets of people up here, very comfortable seating. Storage underneath the bow cushion, so you can throw all your life jackets and gear under there and keep it watertight. And then what I love is having a bow top maintained anchor locker, so you're not digging through cushions to get to the bow. And then this boat is rigged with a trolling motor panel, so you can have a quick hookup of a trolling motor of your choice to get you to the fishing grounds in the creek, so a lot quieter. Bow rod cup holders and up here, and then just very clean, easy area to get on and off the boat from the bow. This is a quick overview of our 2024 Scout 195 Sportfish. Again, my name is Chris Honig. Would love to get you out in the water soon, so please give me a call at 910-256-8100 and hope to get you out soon.